Hazrat Ali described about long life as one who desires long life. He should get up early in the morning and take less debt. Al-birru wa sadaqatu siri yanfayanil faqra wa yazidani fil umr. Secretly doing good and giving alms relieves poverty and increases age. وَيَدْفَعَانِ عَنْ سَبْعِينَ مَيْتَةً سُوءٍ and saves 70 kinds of bad deaths. In ahbabta and yazidallahu fi umrika fasri abavayka. If you desire that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may extend your life, then keep your parents happy. Man hasuna birrahu bi ahli baytihi zida fi umrihi. One who adopts good behavior with his family, his life becomes long. Tajannibul bawaika yamurru lakumul amar. Avoid cause, your life will be long. Long bows and prostrations are effective in prolonging life. Aksir minat tahuri yazidullah fi umrika. Mostly remain in ablution. In this way, Allah Almighty will prolong your life. La yazidu fil umri ilal bir. Only goodness can increase life. Imam Sadiq revealed the secret of long life of Arab Bedouins, that they drink camel's milk, consumption of sarid, and traveling long distances.